Hello and welcome to this week's spelling test, where you are looking at words that end with the I sound when it is spelt with a Y. Spelling number 1. The word is cry. I hurt myself and it made me cry. The word is cry. Spelling number 2. The word is fly. Birds have wings so they can fly. The word is fly. Spelling number 3. The word is sky. On a nice day, there is often a blue sky. The word is sky. Spelling number 4. The word is try. When you put the ball over the line in rugby, it's called a try. The word is try. Spelling number 5. The word is reply. When you give an answer to someone, it's called a reply. The word is reply. Spelling number 6. The word is July. The month after June is July. The word is July. And remember your capital letter there, as it is a proper noun. July. Spelling number 7. The word is my. My favourite crisps are Skips. The word is my. Spelling number 8. The word is sty. Pigs live in a sty. The word is sty. Spelling number 9. The word is multiply. The inverse of divide is multiply. The word is multiply. And spelling number 10. The word is magnify. A microscope can magnify an object up to 40 times. The word is magnify.